All right. What are you doing? Don't do it again. No! Why'd you let him go up there? Where'd they go? What are those? Balloons? Yeah, let's go get them. Let's go get them. Let's go get them. Come on. Upstairs. Let's go get them. Balloon? Okay, Daddy will get him, buddy. Yeah. Here you go. What do you say? Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? That's please. Say thank you. Atta boy. Okay. Watch where you're going. You want me to hold them? Okay. Come on. I got him. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, come on. Yeah.
Mama, blue.
You say mama?
Again. You're saying it all morning.
You give mommy a kiss? Are you playing hard to get?
He is, after his nap.
There you go. All right, what are we going to do? You got to turn them loose? Watch out for the wall. Yeah? Bye-bye.
There they go.
Yeah. The balloon? That's right. You give Daddy a kiss? Give Daddy a kiss. No! Whoa.
You gonna go get the balloons?
You gonna give Mommy a kiss?
Oh, I'm getting that.
Go give Mommy a kiss.
Why don't you get your balloons?
Daddy's gonna get a kiss. Here comes Daddy. Daddy's gonna get a kiss. Oh! Kiss for Daddy. Come here, you. Got it. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.